everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have another unboxing video. This is my second Allure beauty box. Now, I loved last month's box. I felt like I got some great items. Some items I have just rotated into like kind of my everyday routine. And what I really enjoy about Allure is it's not only just makeup, it is a mix. It will have makeup, it will have skincare, and a little bit more skincare than actual makeup, which I can really appreciate because I do also get the BoxyCharm box, which is like a full box of just a ton of product per a month. So I get a lot of makeup coming in, so it is really nice to be able to get some different items in which I can test out that are skincare, because I do love skincare. So let's go ahead and just jump right into this box. Let's open it up and removing the lid. Last month's box had a little saying inside of it. This one's blank. And then you get the little pamphlet, which is the usual pamphlet you get with the products on the inside. Nice little description, prices, and then you get into the nitty-gritty. In this month's box, you receive 5 beauty products. The first one that is right on top is a sample size from Makeup Eraser. So this is the original makeup eraser. Let's open it up, and then taking this out, and then it gives you some directions on the back, and then here is how it comes. It comes in this little thing that says "To You" from Makeup Eraser, and a little pamphlet like this. Oh! Interesting. Okay, so it is actually just a sample. It is a piece of cloth in which they have cut out just a square of. I have seen the makeup eraser in stores before, so I know it's a very large one. It has ridges and little sides, and here you can tell it's just been cut. So this is exactly what it looks like in this month's box. So it is just a little tester. So, I mean, I'm kind of excited to be able to test this one out. I have a makeup eraser dupe in which I have purchased from TJ Maxx. Those are right here. They are dirty. I need to wash them, but these things are really incredible. I keep them right by my desk for when I'm recording, and I have swatches that I just need to remove because I don't like to use a lot of makeup wipes. I feel like you waste kind of a lot of it, and sometimes you don't need the entire wipe, and then you use like a little part of it, and then you're like, oh man, can I save this? So I have been loving these towels, and I think you got like a 3-pack or something like that for like $5. It was a really great value, and so I think it'll be enough to give me some leeway to be able to use and see if there is a huge difference between TJ Maxx one and the original makeup eraser. Because if I can have a good dupe for a product, I love it. I did forget to mention really quick that the original makeup eraser is $20 for one towel, so it's kind of a high ticket item. Then we have the Drunk Elephant. This is the Umbra Sheer Physical Defense Broad Spectrum SPF 30. This is another sample size. It is 15 milliliters or 0.5 fluid ounces, which a full size bottle of this is 3 ounces, and it retails for $34. It's not a bad trial size, I would say. I got in last month's box another sunscreen. Oh, that's how you do it. Sorry, I got distracted. You just twist the cap and then it starts to push out on top like so. With last month's box, this month's box, I'm getting quite a good selection of testing different sunscreens. So this is really cool. I really enjoy this because it's summertime. You need that SPF in your skincare. The sun is very bright, you know, it's gonna be hot days and all that. And I want a sunscreen that doesn't smell, it's not greasy, and it's not terrible on my skin, meaning, you know, like a bunch of weird kind of ingredients. which this is supposed to be a more natural sunscreen. It is zinc oxide, so it is one of the ingredients that you want to look for when choosing a sunscreen, which is what they, or at least what they say. And Drunk Elephant is a brand in which is raved about. They have great skincare items. I know my mom uses their something facial, the peeling facial or baby facial. I forget what it's called. Anyway, that one is very expensive. It's like $80 for an ounce, so they are high up there in price, but they have great reviews on them. Very excited that this came in this month's box. I am loving the little stash of sunscreen that I'm getting. Then we have another skincare item. This is Skin Fix Foaming Clay Cleanser. This one is also a trial size, but I guess you could say it's verging on deluxe. It's 1 fluid ounce of product, 30 milliliters, so it's not bad. It's a little bit of a step up. A full size of this one is 3.4 ounces. You can find it for $20 on their website, or I also saw it on Amazon for only $18, so wherever you want to buy it. So it is supposed to be sulfate free. It's made from coconut. It is supposed to be a clay cleanser that is not going to leave you dry, which some clay cleansers can do. It kind of sucks out a lot of the moisture out of the skin. This product is not supposed to do that. It's supposed to leave your skin feeling very soft, very healthy feeling, still having some hydration in the face, and 99% natural. That's really cool. It has no sulfates, synthetic fragrance, soy, gluten, dairy, dyes, parabens, or phthalates. I hope I'm saying that right. It has none of that in there. That is really awesome. So let's take a little sniff. Okay, not bad. Definitely doesn't smell like they added any kind of crazy fragrance, which is what they say on the back. Always good to kind of verify it. It does smell very natural. It kind of has a clay smell to it. That's, if you've smelled it before, it's a very strong kind of smell, but it's not bad. Now the fourth item is by Biosense Squalene and Phytoretinol Serum. Hopefully I did not just butcher the name. This is definitely a sample size. It is 4 milliliters or 0.1 fluid ounces. For a full size of this, I had to look it up. It is 1 ounce or 30 milliliters. And it is $78 on Sephora's website. So I'm going to read from the pamphlet on this one because it's kind of a lot to try to tell you. But basically, this company is a biotech company, and their key ingredient is a hydrating, stabilized squalane that's bio-fermented from renewable sugar cane, which is like their secret ingredient. And I guess what makes it so pricey. And it also says, it does say retinol, but it actually contains Chiol, and it is an herbal antioxidant that smooths skin a lot like retinol without the potential of irritation. It also has on the pamphlet that they are doing a lot of great work, that the company is behind a pharmaceutical research and helped develop a accessible royalty-free malaria treatment, and they provided last year 6,000 treatments. So it does sound like it is a company doing lots of great things for people around the world. So love that. Gets a big thumbs up from me and makes me excited to test out their product. And the final item we have is the Nude Sticks Gel Color Lip and Cheek Balm in J Mama. That is such a pretty color. Oh man, that's a beautiful shade of pink. I'm gonna wipe off my lipstick and I'm gonna plop this on really quick. I just realized you might not even be able to tell a difference. It kind of looks exactly like what I was just wearing, which was actually by Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Charlotte Darling. Super pretty color. I am 100% on board for this. This is a full-size item, so it is 2.8 grams or 0.10 US ounces, and it will retail for $24. And why not? Let's put a little bit on my fingertip and let's use it on the cheeks. Boop, 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 boop. Oh, that's pretty. That's actually really nice. I hate wearing blushes. If you have been subscribed to my channel for a while, you know I don't wear blushes. It's kind of rare if I do. But this is like the prettiest, like pinky, almost with a little bit of a brown tone to it. It's very natural looking and it's very pretty. I was thinking like, how is this gonna work for the cheeks? It's so sticky. I was kind of rubbing it on my hand here, and you can definitely feel that on the lips, but tapping it out on the cheeks, it just kind of blends out and you don't get any of that sticky feeling. So that is a really cool product. I really enjoy this one. Let's kind of do a overall thoughts really quickly. So inside of this month's box, you did receive 5 products. One full-size item, which is $24, so right there you get your money back for the box because the box is $15 for the month. And for me personally, if I am receiving just a box full of sample sizes and it does not even make what I put into it, it doesn't really seem worth it in my opinion. You know, everyone is different, you know, depending on what they think is actually worth it. And for me, it just kind of throws me off, especially when you get products that have like a label that says sample size, not for resale. However, aside from the makeup eraser, which I'm just gonna put that down there because I'm not too into getting just a cutout little square of cloth of a makeup eraser. At least make it like a mini one, I don't know. It just kind of seems a little bit like, okay. Got 3 great skincare items, 1 deluxe, 2 sample sizes. So all in all, I think you do get a very good value with the box. I loved last month's. I still really enjoyed this month's box. I felt like you got some great items. Let me know down in the comment section below, did you order this month's box? Are you contemplating signing up for Allure? And don't forget to also hit that like button if you like this video, share it. Subscribe to my channel if you have not already. I post 2 beauty related videos twice a week, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!